What's up, YouTubians? Gary with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another day in the shop on the 1960 Baja Volksrod Franken Build. Where today, yep, that's right, time to get working back on the body. I was going to go ahead and tackle some of the big things today, which would be back here in the package tray and these little sections down here I need to make and form. However, I don't have enough sheet metal. So, what do we do with a beautiful floor today, like we have today, if we don't have enough sheet metal? Well, we're gonna go ahead and start taking care of all these little holes, all this stuff through here. We'll go ahead and fill all the bolt holes for the fenders because I decided we're not gonna run fenders. So, at least we can plug along and move forward. We're gonna get all that stuff taken care of today. I don't know if you can see it with the light not on. Dash is taken care of. There we go. Dash is taken care of. So I'm kind of feeling a little motivated. So speaking of that, I want to thank you guys for all the motivational speeches. The nice messages, emails, the whole 9 yards. We have one awesome community that I'm proud to be a part of. Thank you guys. I greatly appreciate it. So now, we need to go ahead and get this done. Make sure you check out vwjawbreaker.com. We have links for social. We have links for merch, t-shirts, stickers. All that stuff is on the site. Even if you want to make a donation, there's a link for that too. We'll be updating some more stuff on that coming up soon. I have a couple ideas that'll be kind of cool. So we'll be adding that in the next week or two, time permitting. So without further ado, let's get to crack-a-lacking. Let's get some work done today. Everybody knows I really like my YESWELDER MIG Pro 250. Matter of fact, discount code link on the website. Not just for this, but for anything you buy off YESWELDER's website. Any welder, plasma cutter, accessories, anything you buy, use that link and you can get 10% off your order. But I've been using the titanium MIG Pro 170. Yeah, that's it. The MIG 170. Just figured why not give it a break. Got most of it filled in. Still got a couple of the big holes left. Now, what I started using on these fender holes was, I had some washers, right? Remember, I'm just about out. But those washers are gonna fill in real nice and almost a perfect fit. So we'll go ahead and get those buzzed in and we'll go ahead and get everything ground down and then find something to patch the bigger holes. Who knows, maybe a bigger washer? What do you think? Well, didn't quite turn out the way I wanted it to. These patches are looking pretty good. I got a tiny hole, not too worried about it. These, on the other hand, they're flat, but even that stupid washer just wanted to burn through. And the sad part is, on this thing, I'm gonna turn down, look, 13 volts, lowest I can go. Thinking about switching back over to the YESWELDER, to be honest with you, to do the rest of this today. I have better controllability over that welder than I do that one. I don't get it. Don't be wrong, it's a decent welder. Prefer that one by far. All right, let's figure out the last little bit, try to get these holes patched up, and we can move on. Well, that's done. switched over to the YESWELDER with my nice 15-foot hose on it. That thing is lovely. So now that that side's done-ish, not perfect, I know I'm gonna need filler, and I'm okay with that. So now we're gonna move on to this side. Go ahead and get these plugged up. Once that's done, we'll kind of see where we're at and go from there. Let's do this side now. It wasn't even fun, so let's not even pretend it was. But this side was different, where everything was kind of captured different. The hole was different than the other side. So what I did is I filled up that part, made sure it was flush across, and we just go and throw a little filler in there and be done. We gotta kind of clean up in here a little bit. Man. All right, so where do we stand? What do we have to do on this puppy, right? So there we go. We've got little pieces to make there on both sides. We've got a little bit right there to kind of take care of in the package tray. It's not much. Probably be a pretty easy fix the way I'm thinking about doing it. So that's left for the inside, as far as I know. Everything else I think is done. So it's just the back couple areas over there in the corner. And then the interior, as far as I know, is done. What do we have left to do on the outside? Need to figure out something up here. Not sure what I'm doing. Would like to do some kind of brace going across and then fill it in with a piece of sheet metal to help keep everything dry up here, because again, I am running a stock style tank. Oh yeah, we do have a couple little pinholes to fill up here and whatnot. But other than that, I want to say we're getting there. Just about there. And of course, the big thing, doors. I'm stuck on that. I've got a couple different things I'm working on in my mind. Got a couple Hail Marys I can pull if I need to, which, to be honest with you, I'll probably do that too. Oh, the hood. So we've got a couple little pieces to fill. And then I want to go ahead and fill all of the trim hole, because we're not going to run center trim on this. Now I'm thinking about doing some kind of brace or something to keep the hood from sagging so much, because you know it is only supported on the one side. Or you know what, maybe we'll do gas strut on both sides. I don't know, we got some stuff to think about. So anyway, at least we got progress on the body done today. We're able to get both front fender well little holes and whatnots all taken care of, so that's good. Again, we've got a couple little holes. I need to pick up some sheet metal or dig around, see if I have anything. I don't think I do, and the only pieces I have are way too thick or way too small. So we'll get that taken care of here on a future video. So guys, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for being supportive, being a part of the community. Because you know what? The biggest thing is the community. We're all here together, showing each other how we do things. I'm not an expert. You may not be an expert, but together we can be a lot better than we are by ourselves. So guys, take care. Get out in the garage, get wrenching, and be good.